Now this is a really fun version of the rising card trick because it's completely impromptu and you can use a borrowed pack of cards. So let's use the 2 of hearts and we'll give the cards a shuffle and one more, and then what you do from here is you explain to your spectator, look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you to watch your card as it slowly rises from the pack. And you can show them the card, hand the pack back to them, and let's see how that's done. Oh, hello there, what's cracking? Welcome back to the channel. This is my favorite rising card trick, and I know you're gonna love it. It's impromptu, you can use a borrowed pack of cards, and it's actually quite easy to do. There's a tiny bit of sleight of hand, but nothing that you're not capable of. So if you're ready, please leave leave a massive like on the video and subscribe if you're new, and let's get right into it. Okay, so here's the explanation to the rising card trick, and it's honestly a really cool trick. You can use a borrowed pack of cards as well, and as long as you can control the card to the top, you should be good to go. So what you want to do is you have them choose a card, and we're going to use the Queen of Clubs on this occasion, and here's a really simple way to control the card and keep it at the top. So what I'm doing is I'm retaining the card there and doing an overhand shuffle. Okay, and all you're doing is putting a bit of pressure and you retain their selection to the top. Now from here what you want to do is do a slip cut, and you want to hold the cards on an angle so they can't see it, and you're going to lift up about 10 to 15 cards, slip cut, but you're pulling the card back slightly, place those back on top, and now you've got an out jogged card, because your right thumb is then going to push or out jog the card to the right like so, but your fingers on the top are actually covering the card sticking out. And then from here what you want to do is you want to use your left palm to bevel the cards underneath, but that's all done in one motion. Now this is what it should look like, and the reason you're beveling the cards under the bottom there, so when you use the pinky to rise it, it's completely hidden, so it's hidden behind these cards here. So let's do that again. So slip cut, you have the card out jog to the side, bevel the cards underneath, bevel them underneath, grab it with your left hand, grab the cards right at the top there. Now you can see we've got their selection sticking out there, so the way you cover that up is you say, look, I want you to keep your eyes on the cards, and you just push it back down. And now you do the fun part with your pinky, so let's see how that part's done. Okay, so from this angle you're going to pick up 10 to 15 cards. You're going to angle the cards up slightly. Okay, so angle them up, and then you're going to bevel that card to the side. Sorry, out jog it to the side, and then bevel the cards underneath, and then you should be in that position there. Now remember, these fingers here are covering that card sticking up there. Alright, and then from here you grab it with the other hand and you grab it right on the top, and your pinky is going to make contact with the card on the side, and this is what you'll be doing. So you'll be pushing the card up with your pinky. Alright, now I'll go over some angles in a moment, so let's do it from the top. So let's slip cut, let's out jog the card to the side. Alright, and remember to keep these fingers on the top covering up, and then bevel the cards underneath, switch hands, grab the top, and now you're ready to go. Now these are the angles. You can't do it straight on because you can see the pinky pulling the card up, so you hold it to the side slightly, and remember that bevel, when you push the cards to the side, it's actually blocking your pinky, so it does help a lot. And so from the side, all I'm doing now is just lifting up with my pinky there, and these fingers here, 1, 2, 3, stay completely still. Okay, so I'll do that again, and this is in normal speed. out jog, bevel, watch the cards here, and then your card will rise out of the pack. Alright, so one important step to remember is the 10 to 15 cards when you're doing the slip cut. Reason being, look what happens if I cut about half. I don't have many cards now to bevel across to cover up the pinkies. So if I try and do this, you see I don't have many cards to cover it up. And so you want to have 10 to 15, push it out to the side, point, say look, watch the cards here, make sure your angles are right, and then you simply push the card up. And that is the rising card. Hope you enjoyed it.